swing on the chandelier, on the chandelier. Oh. Southside Plumbing, how can I help you?
Hi, my name is Susan Richards, and I live at 2151 Lighthouse Road, and I think we have a bit of a leak here.
Looks like you guys got a leak over there. Got a bit of a toilet issue.
Well, I mean, my husband used it, and now it's started to spew poo everywhere, and
don't you worry, Susan. I'll be there very shortly, alright? I'm gonna be there to assist you.
We could really use your help here.
Alright, I'll catch you, Susan. Bye. On the chandelier!
Oh, I just want the plumber to be here. No, it's taking forever. Oh, he's kind of cute.
Down South Plumbing. Somebody call for a plumber?
It's me, over here.
Oh, hey Susan.
Hi.
Heard you on the phone. You got a little clog, a little leak?
Yeah, it's a big leak.
I got you.
Okay, thanks.
Alright. Said it was in your upstairs, Tom?
Yeah, it was upstairs.
Alright, take it to it.
It was making a weird noise.
Making a weird noise? Yeah, what did it sound like?
Like my ex-husband.
Oh, a good one, Susan.
Just all deaf.
Oh, yeah.
So you said your name was Vernon?
Vernon.
Oh, Vernon. Oh, right this way, Vernon.
Oh, upstairs. Yeah, I see.
So how long have you been a plumber?
About 6 or 7 years, so I'm not too sure.
Do you do some modeling?
No, never tried modeling.
You should.
Should I really?
You're handsome.
I'm a plumber, man.
Yeah, you're a good one. So Vernon, it's right over here if you want me.
I mean, you got a really nice bathroom. I mean, I love the paint. Blue is really nice.
Thanks, Vernon. You're so kind.
Vernon.
Whatever you say, baby. So it's gonna be right here is the problem. The pipes are a little clogged.
It seems like a pretty classic.
Yeah, it's caustic.
Oh.
Sorry.
Alright.
So it's gonna be a classic toilet.
Yeah.
I'll be in my room if you need me.
I don't think I'll need you. It's a
But
bit...
after you can come into my room.
Alright.
Okay. Good luck, honey.
You can go now.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh.
Susan? Hey! Who the hell are you, bro? Run away!
Where's Susan?
Who the hell is Susan, bro? It's the old woman.
Oh, that was right there.
Oh, we dealt with Susan. Dealt with Susan? I dealt with old Susan. Spencer? Travis? Who are you? Spencer? Travis?
Yeah, I've been playing this for weeks now, and they just beat the crap out of them. Okay, they got families. You know? Who sent you? Who sent you? Who are you? Vernon? How are you anyways, Vernon?
It's Vernon.
Goddamn plumber.